learning in this city. And we had a long day of this. Wait!
Yeah!
Good!
Right from the Gaza Strip, and at night, when it's a clear night, we can hear the Venezuela south from the Gaza Strip on a school, Nofe Absor, which is very close to Kibbutz Magen. How these stories, the prophet, like most of the figures of the people from the Musa.
It's the same as the Jewish.
It's the same.
And
Cool.
chapters too. Like,
Isn't I would ask the Arabic kids, did you ever open the Jewish Bible? Just see? Okay, how this book is composed. 5 in the Torah are 5 books. Genesis, Exodus, there are chapters. How many chapters are in the Torah? Between the chapter history, you know it. The second surah. What can you tell me about the second surah? And the third surah is a little bit, and establishing Mecca, the Kaaba. Ishmael, and we'll read it, and phenomena the beginning is very different by Jews and by Muslims. God gave the Holy Scripture, and the Islam are closed in faith, in believing in one God, here directly. He is no person, and Muslims have the same concept of God. The oral law of the Islam in books, Hadith al-Bukhari, Hadith al-Muslim, sesler. Okay, a few of the Jewish participant of Muhammad. I know that all the Arabs have to read stories. I have here on this presentation more than I don't try it, okay? Turkey called it now. What is similar and in certain circumstances, and Ibrahim in Sodom. And in the difference we can find the Muslim faith, because from this story from Abraham, it was the Abraham, they all fighting and kill. And you know why they killed? You know why they killed? Why Cain is called in the... And the reason is jealousy. But it's not only jealousy. I was raised up by a German theist, read the Quran, and took from the Quran more than 7, because if there's more than 7, 2 people. Where have you been today? You walked the whole day to study Bible version in relation to the Quran version. How do each of these versions Abraham where? Who's going to read?
someone in Arabic.
Sorry, what did you learn?
I learned that let Josh say.
Okay. What is the difference? And you can regret, and therefore we have Yom Kippur.
Yeah, he gets a punishment and sent him to hell.
And also, in the Quran, kind of taught more of a lesson than a punishment.
In the Talmud is written, whoever saves one soul from the question to you. Did Cain argue with God? What do you say in the Bible? Argued with God. Cain in the Quran is not arguing. You have an idea of the two civilizations, and all the Jews are arguing the whole day with their teachers at school. He's arguing with God. 40 people, 30 people. That's between the lines. Maybe the message, what the story want to tell us.
This is like now.
Messenger to talk.
Found his way out. You would add?
Our God is going to...
In the Quran, Abraham does what...
in the Quran, it said like we have like a dream, an angel came to Ibrahim and told him what to do. But in the Bible,
it's about the message from God asked him to do. The angel came and took.
Christian philosopher wrote a book called Fear and Trembling. What was it? Action. And that's the reason he would kill his son, you're sure? Yeah, because he's not of shaitan. Okay.
Thing like
To kill, not to murder, not to kill, yeah. That's in the Bible, in the Quran, it's even different. And it was only a very... Good, thanks.